Welcome to this 6-minute morning meditation to start your day off with positive energy. Go ahead and get in a comfortable position. You can either sit with your legs crossed or lay down, whatever feels more comfortable. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Go ahead and exhale all the air out through your mouth. We're going to start off with 3 deep breaths. When we wake up, we go from a very relaxed state to automatically on alert, especially if you already checked your phone. So this will help you center into that calm state. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Let's do it again. In for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Sink into that delicious feeling, and let's do it one more time. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for a count of 6. Start imagining a bright golden light on your forehead. Think of it like the sun shining down. Focus on that light and feel the warmth as it shines down onto your face. As you breathe in, you feel that light spread even lower from the top of your head all the way down through your throat, down through your shoulders, down through your rib cage and stomach. Let your breath be the guide and take that positive energy even deeper. It's a brand new day, so it's time to replace any stagnant energy with this positive light. Let the stress melt away, let the to-do list melt away, and let it all be replaced with this golden light. Take another breath and feel the light shine through your legs all the way down to your toes. Relax in that positive energy. Feel how that bright golden light flows all throughout your body. Today is a new day, a day filled with possibilities and the opportunity to show up as your best self. It's time to let go of anything that might have happened yesterday and focus your awareness on what you can do today. As you sit in the positive energy flowing through your body, begin creating your ideal day. What are your main objectives for the day? How can you show up with the same feeling of calmness throughout the entire day? What little act can you do for yourself today to cultivate and stay in this flow of positive energy? Whether it's writing yourself a note of motivation, listening to your favorite song, or even dressing to feel your best, connect to this intention until you meet me here again on the next day. Take one more deep breath in and let it out as you bring a smile onto your face. Thank yourself for showing up and giving yourself these 6 minutes before starting your day. Start to wiggle your fingers and move your neck around. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes and feel prepared to have the best day yet. Remember that you can always come back to this feeling and reignite that positive energy that's already inside of you. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this meditation, down in the comments. I'll see you next time.